Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Wrike custom statuses for workflow clarity step by step clearly. To install custom statuses in Wrike, begin by logging into your Wrike account. Navigate to the workspace where you want to add the custom statuses. Click on the folder icon in the sidebar. Select the appropriate folder or project where you wish to implement the new statuses. Once in the desired folder, locate the Customize button at the top right corner. Click on the Customize button to open the customization panel. In the panel, find and select the status option. Here, you will see the existing statuses listed. To add a new status, click on the Add Status button. Enter the name for your new status in the pop-up window. Choose a color for your status to help visually differentiate it. After filling in the details, click Create to add the new status to your list. You can rearrange statuses by dragging them up or down in the list. To edit or delete a status, hover over the status name and click on the three-dot menu that appears. Select Edit to modify the status name or color. If you need to delete a status, choose the Delete option in the same menu. Once you've customized your statuses, click Save in the customization panel to apply the changes. Your new custom statuses are now ready for use in your workflow. Ensure that your team is informed about the new statuses for better collaboration. Repeat this process in any other necessary folders or projects to maintain consistency across your workflow. With your custom statuses in place, streamline your project management and enhance workflow clarity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.